We all love to possess something or buy something. It may be a phone, bike, car, house, jewelry, etc. For the same purpose, we request someone to get it as a gift, or we ourselves take efforts to get it or to gain it. Based on the same theme, here is the lesson 1.5, The Necklace, which is adopted from the novel Necklace, which is written by Guy de Maupassant. Mathilde is the main character in this lesson. She is unhappy with all the things she has because she wants everything better and she wants to live luxurious life. So we will learn in detail about her story, the story of Necklace. Before that, let us see the activities given in warming up. Let us see the first. Talking about myself. Write a few lines about yourselves in which you have to think of or you have to write your name, appearance. Appearance means look, how you look, family, some information about family, the place where you live, your school, your friends, neighbors, relatives, your likes, dislikes, hobbies, what you are good at, etc. Now, create an imaginary persona for yourself. What is persona? Some personal information like biodata. It can be quite different from your real self, or you may choose a fictional character. What is fictional character? A character from a novel, story, etc. Write few lines about this imaginary persona and introduce yourself in that role. So what you have to do in this activity, you have to write your real information, that is real self, and also you have to write imaginary persona, that is some information which is imaginary, which is not real. So let us see the sample. If you are going to think about real self, so how can you write? Let me give you an example. Hi, I am Samrat. I am 14 years old. I am tall and fair. I live in Ambad with my mother, father, and siblings. I am studying in Jain English School. I have many friends, but Karthik is my close friend. I like watching TV and I dislike solving math sums. My hobby is reading stories and I am good at dancing. So, this way you have to write your self information, that is real self. Now, let us see about imaginary persona, how it can be. For example, hi, I am Ranveer Singh. I am 34 years old. I am tall and fair and also handsome. I live in Mumbai with my family members. As I am an actor, I have many fans. Wherever they see me, they approach me and request me to give autographs and to have photographs with them. I have acted in many superhit films. Recently, one of the directors offered me rupees 50 crore to sign his film. Now, I have everything and I am living luxurious life. So this is what imaginary persona. So in this way, you can think of any character which may be from any story, novel, film, etc. Let us see the next activity. It is my dream possession. What is dream possession? Something which you want to have and you do not have right now, and you are willing to have it. You are willing a lot to have it. That is your dream possession. What do you have to do? Is there something that you would like to own more than anything else? Describe your dream possession with the help of the following points. You may add your own points too. So, what is the diagram given over here? In the middle, here is the title, my dream possession. So, same diagram you have to draw in your notebook, but whatever questions or points given here, over here, related to those questions or points, you have to fill up the boxes with the information. So here, my dream possession, and question given, what it is. For example, my dream possession is an Apple iPhone, purchasing an Apple iPhone. So instead the question, you have to write about your dream possession, the name of the thing. You can write name of bike, you can write any other vehicle, you can write about house, you can write about jewelry, etc. Now let's answer the questions, or let's think of the points given in each box. First box, let's consider from its appearance, color, shape and size. As I said about Apple iPhone, what is its appearance? What is its color, shape and size? So you can write any. So it should be white in color, its shape is rectangular, and its size should fit my palm, which should be handy. Next point, its use. Second one, its use. So Apple iPhone I will use to browse internet, to browse Google, YouTube, to gain knowledge. Also, it will be used to capture many images. It will be also used to have phone calls and much more. Let us see the next point. Where you saw it first. I watched it first on TV in an advertisement. Next, fourth point. What you would use it for? So its answer, I will use it to have phone calls to my friends to discuss about studies. I will use it to browse something knowledgeable on Google. I will use it to watch videos of mathematical operations, scientific facts and much more on YouTube, etc. You can write. Next, fifth one, how you would use it. So I will use it very carefully so that it should not get damaged. Next point, sixth one, Why you want it so much? So, as it is the need of today's generation, as it is useful to gain knowledge available throughout the world on internet, and as it is useful to have contacts with the friends and family members, relatives, etc. easily, I would like to have it. Next point, what you would do to get it? So, as I do not have any earning, I will request my parents to give me as a gift on my birthday. Next and last point, whether you would share it with others. Yes, I will share with some of my friends who are really careful, or who will be really careful about my phone the way I am careful. So, in this way, you have to draw the diagram, and instead the information given in these boxes, you have to write their answers. So, I hope you all will understand what to do with the given activities in warming up. In next video, we will see summary of some of the paragraphs of the lesson, The Necklace.